What if a small farm, a backyard greenhouse, or even one spare room could grow crops that sell for premium prices all year? Many people think farming profit only comes from huge fields, expensive machines, and large harvests, but smart small farmers are proving something different. The real money is often in fast-growing crops, gourmet foods, rare spices, specialty herbs, fresh flowers, and value-added products that customers cannot easily find in regular stores. In today's video, we'll explore 10 most profitable crops small farmers can grow and why these crops can turn limited space into serious income. Let's dive in. 1. Microgreens. Microgreens are one of the fastest and most profitable crops small farmers can grow. They are tiny young greens harvested just after first leaves appear, but do not let their small size fool you. Restaurants, health food stores, juice bars, and home cooks love them because they make food look beautiful and taste fresh. The biggest advantage of microgreens is speed. Many crops take months before a farmer sees any return, but microgreens can be harvested in just 7 to 14 days. This fast turnover makes them perfect for cash flow without waiting too long. A small grower can keep planting new trays every week, which means income can become steady instead of seasonal. Microgreens also do not need a large field. They can be grown indoors on trays, shelves, or vertical racks, allowing farmers to produce more from a small area. This makes them especially useful for urban farms or beginners who do not own much land. With clean growing conditions and reliable local buyers, even one small room can turn into a profitable mini farm. 2. Gourmet mushrooms. Gourmet mushrooms can be grown indoors without traditional farmland. Varieties like oyster, shiitake, and lion's mane sell for higher prices because of their flavor, texture, and health appeal. Chefs especially like these mushrooms because they add something unique to soups, pastas, stir-fries, and plant-based meals. Mushrooms also offer a quick return. Many varieties are ready in about 4 to 6 weeks, and farmers can start new blocks weekly for continuous harvests. This makes the business easier to plan because harvest can be scheduled instead of waiting for one large seasonal crop. Vertical production makes mushrooms efficient. Bags or blocks can be stacked on shelves, producing multiple flushes from a small space. The crop requires attention to humidity, airflow, and cleanliness. Selling to chefs, farmers markets, and local customers can create a steady income. Value-added products like dried mushrooms or soup mixes extend shelf life and increase profitability. This also helps farmers avoid waste when fresh mushrooms do not sell immediately. 3. Saffron. Saffron, often called red gold, is one of the most expensive spices in the world. It comes from the red stigmas of Crocus sativus flowers, and each flower produces only a tiny amount of spice. That is why even a small harvest can carry high value when quality is strong. The crop grows best in well-drained soil and is harvested by hand in autumn. This careful work is why saffron remains highly valuable and gives small farms competitive edge. Since machines cannot easily replace this delicate handwork, attentive family farms can do very well with it. The market includes chefs, spice shops, gourmet brands, and home cooks. Storytelling about the harvest and quality can help farmers sell saffron at premium prices. Beautiful packaging and clear information about purity can also help build customer trust. 4. Ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are high-demand crops in cooking and wellness markets. Baby ginger, harvested early, commands a premium because of its tender skin and mild flavor. Many customers prefer fresh local roots because they taste stronger, look brighter, and feel more natural than older store-bought options. They can be grown in high tunnels, grow bags, or raised beds, making them ideal for small spaces. Fresh local roots sell better than older grocery store options. These crops also work well for farmers who want something different from common vegetables. Value-added products, such as ginger syrup, turmeric powder, teas, or spice blends, can increase income and reduce waste. Proper care of roots, soil, and drainage is essential. With the right marketing, ginger and turmeric can attract both food lovers and health-focused buyers. 5. Lavender. Lavender creates multiple income streams. Farmers can sell fresh bundles, dried flowers, essential oils, soaps, and teas. Beyond direct sales, lavender can be used in culinary products, infused beverages, and decorative arrangements, giving small farms creative ways to diversify income. Its soothing fragrance also makes it ideal for premium wellness products which fetch higher prices. Additionally, lavender can complement other crops, attracting pollinators and boosting overall garden health. Once established, lavender requires relatively low maintenance, reducing long-term labor costs while producing consistent revenue year after year. It grows well in well-drained soil and can tolerate dry conditions, making it ideal for poor or rocky land. Lavender may take 2 to 3 years to mature, but once established, it produces year after year. Lavender fields attract visitors for agritourism. Pick your own experiences and workshops. Value-added products like soaps, oils, and sachets can further increase profits. 6. Specialty and heirloom peppers. Specialty peppers, like habanero, ghost, and mini sweet peppers, sell for higher prices than standard varieties. Customers pay more for flavor, heat, color, and novelty. Unique peppers allow small farmers to stand out at farmers markets, in CSA boxes, or through online direct-to-consumer sales. Peppers also store well when cured or dried, allowing flexibility in timing and pricing. Culinary enthusiasts, hot sauce makers, and local restaurants often seek these rare varieties, creating a loyal customer base. They grow well in compact spaces, raised beds, or high tunnels. The growing season is usually 2 to 3 months, depending on climate. Value-added products, such as hot sauces, dried flakes, or pickled peppers, increase margins and shelf life. Good marketing and visual appeal help attract customers. 7. Hardneck garlic and garlic scapes. Hardneck garlic is loved for its strong flavor and premium quality. Garlic scapes, the curly shoots, provide an additional early season income. Garlic can be planted in fall and harvested in summer, making efficient use of land. The bulbs can be sold fresh, cured, or stored for months, providing flexibility. Value-added garlic products like black garlic powder or infused oils increase profit potential. Proper soil drainage and weed control help maximize yields. 8. Specialty cut flowers. Cut flowers like dahlias, ranunculus, and lisianthus sell to florists, wedding planners, and subscription customers. Dense planting allows a small area to become very productive. Local flowers are valued for freshness and sustainability. Succession planting ensures blooms throughout the season for continuous sales. Subscription services, pick your own days, and workshops create additional revenue streams. Proper handling and timing maintain quality for premium pricing. 9. Strawberries and specialty berries. Strawberries and berries are highly sought after for freshness and taste. Pick your own setups and farm stands attract customers and reduce labor for farmers. Small farms can use vertical towers or hydroponics to multiply yield per square foot, making even limited space highly profitable. Specialty berries, like blackberries and aronia berries, appeal to health-conscious consumers due to their antioxidants. Adding berry jam, syrups, or frozen packs extends shelf life and increases value. Agritourism events like berry festivals can further boost sales and brand visibility. They can be grown in raised beds, vertical towers, or hydroponic systems, maximizing yield in limited space. Specialty berries like blackberries or aronia berries have health appeal and high antioxidant content. Value-added products like jams, syrups, or frozen packs extend shelf life and increase profitability. Careful management ensures berries remain healthy and productive year after year. 10. Hops. Hops are a specialty crop for small farms near craft breweries. These climbing plants produce cones used to flavor beer. Hops allow vertical growth on trellises, which saves space while increasing yield. Local breweries are willing to pay premium prices for fresh, aromatic hops. Farmers can also sell dried hops or create small batch products like hop-infused teas or herbal remedies. Hops provide a long-term perennial crop, reducing the need for annual replanting once established. Hops grow vertically on trellises, making them ideal for small spaces. Plants take 1 to 2 years to establish but return year after year. The best market is local breweries, which pay premium prices for fresh hops. Proper training, pruning, and timing are essential for high-quality harvests. And there you have it, 10 most profitable crops small farmers can grow. Start small, test local demand, and focus on quality before scaling. Look for ways to add value and extend product life. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Profits grow over time when crops are nurtured carefully. Keep experimenting with different crops and growing methods to find what works best for your farm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Comment below which crop you would grow first. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.